have now gone through all the steps in the innovation process and how Ideation 360 can support you with running this process. We have not looked at the app or at the iframe, but there are tutorials for that as well. To close the loop, let's go back to ideations, because this will be your high-level portfolio overview where you will document the priorities set by the organization and the progress for them. So for each ideation, you will have a dashboard where you have your campaigns, you have your cluster of ideas, and you have your hypotheses and experiments. And this provides you with the data and the learnings you need in order to take decisions on how to move forward. And typically we take decision on cluster level. If we should park the cluster, we learned that this wasn't as promising as we thought. We should move it to project, so into execution mode, which typically require other type of staffing and budget and a larger investment. Or we need to continue to explore and run another loop with hypotheses and experiments, potentially run another idea campaign, or maybe even start up a new ideation. So it's not a linear process that we go through each step in the process once and then we're done. It's going in iterations, gathering data and learnings to navigate uncertainty and find new innovations. You have an overview of your subscription with a few metrics. You can see the number of users in the system and ideas. You can also see how close you are to reach your max limit for the type of subscription you have and the subscription history. If you wish to update to, for example, add more users or ideas to the platform, you simply just press change plans, and there is instruction how to do this, either with a credit card or you get in contact with us. If you think that this is a good way of working and you would like to have some extended functionality when it comes to analytics, strategic initiatives, separating users into different organizations, running open innovation, or any other needs that you feel are not filled by the subscription tier you're now on, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and best of luck with finding new innovations and driving the creative process forward.